Cumberland Park is an apartment community in South Orlando's South International Drive area with 1, 2, and 3 bedroom floor plans at 8024 Cumberland Park Drive. The pool visuals highlight 2 swimming pools at Cumberland Park, along with poolside cabanas and gas grills that support outdoor seating near the water. Fitness scenes match Cumberland Park amenities, including a Matrix-equipped fitness center with free weights and a personal fitness training room for a dedicated workout space. The billiards scene focuses on the game room with billiards, a named indoor amenity that adds another recreation setting at Cumberland Park. Social room visuals match Cumberland Park community and social rooms with Wi-Fi, televisions, and a coffee bar listed among the official amenities. The closing screen lists Cumberland Park at 8024 Cumberland Park Drive, Orlando, Florida 32821, cumberlandparkapartments.com, and 407-996-7999 for contact details.